Hello, how are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to continue reading. Here we go. Open your book to page number 60. Okay. A terrible flight. Let me ask you, would you like to have wings and be able to fly like a bird? Where would you go? I'd like to go to the sky. Okay. Pay attention, please, because this story, Daedalus and Icarus, is a Greek mythology. Okay? Pay attention, please. Listen carefully to the story. Follow along with your finger. Okay? Here we go.
A terrible flight. Daedalus and his son Icarus had been locked up in a tower by King Minos. Their prison was on an island. All ships which left the island were searched by the king's men. Since King Minos controlled the land and the sea, Daedalus thought that they could escape by flying through the air. They looked all around the island for feathers. With the feathers and the wax from the candles, they made 2 sets of wings. After they were finished, Daedalus practiced flying, and then taught Icarus to fly also. When it was time to escape, Daedalus warned his son, "Don't fly too near the sun, or the wax will melt." Then, both Daedalus and Icarus flew off, over the sea, away from the prison. At first, Icarus stayed close to his father. Then, excited with his new skills, he began to fly higher, trying to reach the heavens. The heat from the sun softened the wax, and the feathers fell off. He flapped his arms, but without feathers, Icarus could no longer fly and fell into the sea. Daedalus saw the feathers floating on the water and knew that his son had drowned. After his escape, Daedalus hung his wings as an offering to the gods and never flew again.
Okay. I hope that you understand at least a few words. Okay? If you understood these few words, I know because you are awesome. Okay, grammar check. Find the conjunctions and, or, and, but in the story and circle them. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, happiness is vacation. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.